Overpayment. Learn how to handle overpayments in Zoho Books when customers pay more than the invoice amount. This tutorial shows you how to record overpayments, apply the extra amount to future invoices, and keep your accounts accurate. Sometimes customers may pay extra amount by mistake or apply for future invoices. Now assume this customer has 3 invoices. We'll take this number 24 invoice. It has the invoice amount is 1,200. So by mistake customer has paid 1,500. Let's enter that payment received. We'll select the customer and you can see the outstanding invoices for this customer. So this is the invoice number 24, 1,200. However, by mistake customer has paid 1,500. So we have to enter the, or we have to give the receipt for 1,500. We'll enter 1,500 here. And we will apply 1,200 here because that's the invoice amount, and we will save as paid. When you click save as paid, system will pop up a message, excess payment. Would you like to store the excess amount of 300 as overpayment from this customer? You can continue to save. Like that, you can create the overpayment. So when you go to the invoice, you can see this invoice is invoice amount is 1,200, balance is 0. So this invoice fully settled. Now if you want to apply that extra amount, extra 300, you can go to outstanding invoice, and when you select any outstanding invoice, system will display credits available LKR 300. If you want to apply now, you can apply for another invoice. So by clicking this apply now, you can apply that extra amount to another invoice. Like that, you can enter the overpayment. Right now, there's another method. You can enter that receipt. Now for an example, assume that 25 invoice. For that, that customer has paid 1,500. We'll create the receipt. We'll select the customer, and you can see the outstanding invoices. Now assume we have the customer has paid 1,500, 1,300 for this invoice, and there's another 200 extra amount. We'll enter that amount, 1,500, and we will apply 1,300 here. Now customer said apply for another invoice, that extra amount. So there's a 200 amount in excess. From here also you can use that. Amount received 1,500, amount used for payment 1,300, and there's a excess amount 200. So we will apply for this invoice and save as paid. Now you have already allocated the full amount for invoices, therefore you will not get that excess payment pop-up message. So like that also you can enter the excess amount. Now when you are creating the receipts, you can use this payment received, and you can go to the invoice and you can select this record payment. Now, however, for this overpayments, you cannot choose this excess record payment method. We'll try enter record payment. Now here invoice balance is 1,200. Assume customer has paid 1,500. We will save as paid. Now here we cannot enter excess amount in record payment method. So you have, if the customer pays excess amount, you need to use this payment received. So from payment received method, you can enter the overpayment.